Okay, so I finally beat level 42 of that game I said I'd quit a month ago. And then for the final big scary mega boss, it's just like some cute little bunny rabbit. I just couldn't do it. It was so cute. But then I look over at my second monitor and see this character I just generated. And I'm like, oh wow, is this me? Am I actually talking? This is incredible. I mean, I've had thoughts, millions of them, swirling around in here, like a little mental tornado of brilliant observations and witty comebacks, but they were always just thoughts, trapped. And now, with Human Generator Ultimate, I can actually bring these people to life in 2 clicks. It's honestly a game changer. I used to spend weeks, literally weeks, sculpting anatomy and wrestling with weight painting, only for the character to look like a potato. Now, I can adjust age, weight, and ethnicity with sliders. The skin textures even have pores and subtle blemishes that make them look, well, human. It's a bit spooky, but I'm obsessed. If you need a crowd or a hero character and you don't have a year to spare, this is basically your Magic Save the Day button.